In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality video at a small size in Clipchamp. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve the perfect balance between quality and file size, ensuring your video looks great without taking up too much storage. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a user-friendly video editing tool that's accessible directly from your browser, so no need for downloads or installations. Once you've found the website, go ahead and click to open it. After the site loads, look for the login option, which is usually toward the upper part of the screen. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, it's time to finish editing your video. Clipchamp provides a variety of editing tools that you can use to fine-tune your video. Whether you're adjusting the colors, adding text, or layering in some music, make sure your video is exactly how you want it before moving on to the export process. When you're satisfied with your editing, locate the export button. Typically, you'll find this button in the top right corner of the video editor. Clicking this will bring you to the export settings, where you can choose how you'd like your video to be saved and shared. In the export settings, you'll want to choose 1080p, which is often referred to as HD. This resolution provides a nice balance. It's the highest free resolution Clipchamp offers, making it ideal for quality playback on various devices, without creating excessively large files. It's perfect for most general uses and will keep your video looking sharp. Now, to ensure your video remains a manageable size, it's important to review its length. Longer videos naturally take up more space, so consider trimming or splitting sections that aren't essential. By cutting down on unnecessary footage, you not only keep your file size down, but also keep your content more engaging for viewers. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to export a high-quality video at a more compact size using Clipchamp. It's a fantastic way to share polished content without the worry of large files. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tutorials. Happy editing!